The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 S is not just a car, it's a high-octane statement of raw power, bold styling, and relentless performance. Welcome back to Car Trend, where today we take you deep into the heart of this monstrous machine. From its aggressive exterior lines to the roar of its supercharged V8, the GT500 S represents the ultimate evolution of Mustang muscle. Let's begin by talking about what makes this machine truly insane. Under the hood, the 2026 Shelby GT500 S packs a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine pushing out over 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 800 plus HP. That's the kind of brute force that pushes this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.3 seconds. Whether you're on the track or the open highway, the acceleration is brutal, precise, and absolutely addictive. Ford didn't build this car for the faint of heart, it was made for thrill seekers who crave raw, unfiltered performance. The engine isn't the only headline here. The GT500 S also comes with a revised 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts with lightning speed, delivering torque exactly when you need it. This updated transmission feels smarter and quicker than ever before. Whether you're cruising in comfort or hammering through corners on a track day, the gearbox adapts instantly to your driving style. Now let's talk about design, because this car turns heads from every angle. The 2026 GT500 S retains the iconic Mustang profile, but with modern aggression turned all the way up. Up front, the bold black mesh grille features the classic Mustang pony emblem, flanked by menacing LED headlamps and an oversized hood scoop. The air vents aren't just for show, they channel airflow for improved cooling and aerodynamics. The massive front splitter and rear wing aren't just styling pieces, they're functional components designed to generate real downforce and stability at high speeds. Around the side, the GT500 S rides on forged lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, providing incredible grip and road feel. The fender flares are wide and muscular, housing massive Brembo brakes that deliver exceptional stopping power. Move to the rear and you're greeted by quad exhaust tips, aggressive taillights, and a bold Shelby GT500 S badge. The rear diffuser has been reshaped for better aerodynamic efficiency, and the wide stance gives the car an intimidating road presence. Every angle of this car screams performance and precision. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit built for the driver. The interior blends premium materials with race-ready touches. Alcantara-trimmed Recaro seats hug you in tightly, giving you the support you need during high-speed runs, while the flat-bottom steering wheel features integrated drive mode selectors and paddle shifters. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving you access to real-time performance data, G-force readings, lap timers, and more. Ford's latest Sync 5 infotainment system sits front and center on a large touchscreen, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and track telemetry. While this car is all about performance, it doesn't forget comfort and convenience. Dual-zone climate control, premium Bang & Olufsen audio, wireless charging, and advanced safety tech like adaptive cruise control and lane assist all come standard. It's a surprisingly livable daily driver, if you can handle the power. Let's not forget the driving experience, because that's where this car truly shines. Engage track mode, and everything sharpens. The exhaust note deepens, the steering stiffens, and the suspension tightens. The MagneRide damping system adapts in real time to the road or track, keeping the car planted through even the tightest of turns. You feel everything. Through the wheel, every crack in the pavement, every ounce of grip the tires find. It's visceral, connected, and electrifying. But the GT500 S isn't just brute force. It's been engineered for balance and agility. The weight distribution, the electronic stability systems, and the rear-wheel drive setup all come together to make this car feel nimble, not just fast. It's a true driver's machine, refined and calibrated to put a smile on your face every time you step on the gas. Now let's talk numbers. As of now, Ford hasn't officially announced the exact price, but industry insiders estimate the starting MSRP to be around $92,000 USD. Add in optional packages like the carbon fiber track pack, performance tires, and custom paint, and you're easily looking at over $110,000 for a fully loaded model. But honestly, for the level of performance you get, it's still a bargain when compared to European supercars that cost twice as much. Fuel economy isn't the highlight here, of course, but for a car with over 800 horsepower, the fact that it manages to pull respectable numbers in highway cruising is impressive. Most buyers won't be looking at this car for MPG, they're here for MPH. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 S isn't just a car, it's a symbol of American performance heritage, reborn for a new era. It mixes muscle with modern tech, aggression with refinement, and nostalgia with next-gen engineering. Whether you're a die-hard Mustang fan or just someone who appreciates high-performance vehicles, this car is hard to ignore. At Car Trend, we believe this GT500 S is one of the most exciting Mustangs ever built. It honors its legacy while boldly pushing into the future. If you're looking for a car that delivers thrills, presence, and that unmistakable Shelby attitude, this is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Trend for more reviews like this. And tell us in the comments, would you take this GT500 S over a Dodge Hellcat or a Corvette Z06? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep driving forward.